Hello everybody. I would like to share with you the importance of food and food therapy in veterinary medicine. We can know all there is about internal medicine and also its therapeutic trajectories. We can be specialists in dermatology and surgery, but as long as our patients do not eat a healthy diet, it will affect them in their recovery and also in their well-being. So therefore, I would like to introduce to you Dr-Juliet de Castekke, a colleague who graduated from the University of Liège in Belgium and who specialized herself in veterinary acupuncture more or less 10 years ago. She and her husband have traveled practically the entire world by the two of them. Every time trying to incorporate medicines, remedies, which they discovered in their voyage. Therefore, they found their place now in India, in Chennai, where they live with their 3 children, and where she studied even more specific veterinary Ayurvedic medicine, and also something called ethno-veterinarian medicine. All these aspects, together with her passion and interest in creating a healthy diet for their patients as being the basis of health in itself, has led to a very interesting, I would say, coherent course about veterinary food therapy. She is also the author of a book that is about to be released. So, Juliet, how are you doing?
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm fine. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk about the food therapy course that I've written for BEVAS. Thank you for the confidence you have in me to write this down. When Dolores and Dr. Albert asked me to write the course, I actually said yes, this is actually something really important, because food is something we use daily and we never think about really what we eat and how we can use it as a medicine too. And in my daily practice, I use food always. There's always kind of a moment I ask owners to think about what they're feeding their pet. In the BEVAS course, it will be a course that will be given over 10 weeks. 10 weeks of 3 hours of course, and in the course I will try to, in 90 days, so I will try to give a system to the veterinarians who already have some basic knowledge in traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture or herbs. I will give you a tool that you can use immediately with any kind of owner, and it will help you to actually have a result, a long-lasting result. In the course we're gonna cover multiple chapters. First chapter, for example, is an important chapter to me because it's a facts and figure chapter. It's actually where I compile what actually is the actual reality about food for the moment. And then we're gonna go on in the next chapters about how Chinese medicine describes the food, how we can use it. And then also we're gonna put it together for a healthy animal, because it's also important, because there can be a healthy animal with some little imbalances. But after that, we're gonna go further to the specific disharmonies that we already learned also in traditional Chinese medicine, and how to put it together to heal the animal. And to finalize, we will have last chapters talking about detoxification, harmonizing, balancing, and also tonifying, and some simple tools you can add to any diet. So that's a bit the course we propose you in September.